To ensure a fair and credible investigation, Engineer Farouk Ahmed must be suspended immediately from his role as CEO of the Nigerian Midstream and Downstream Petroleum Regulatory Authority. His continued presence in office may compromise the integrity of the investigation, intimidate potential witnesses, or obstruct access to crucial records. Suspension is a standard practice when a public officer faces serious allegations of financial misconduct, abuse of office, and conflict of interest. It is essential to create a neutral environment where facts can be verified without undue influence or tampering from the subject of the investigation. Number two, coordinated investigations by EFCC, ICPC, and Code of Conduct Bureau. We demand that the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC), the Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission (ICPC), and the Code of Conduct Bureau initiate coordinated investigations into Engineer Ahmed's conduct. These agencies should examine his asset declarations, financial transactions, foreign exchange usage, and any abuse of regulatory powers. Their joint efforts will ensure a holistic probe, eliminate bureaucratic loopholes, and foster interagency synergy. The focus should also extend to the financial activities of his immediate family, especially transactions linked to foreign education funding, corporate ties, and unexplained wealth inconsistent with a public servant's lawful earnings. Number three, subpoena of financial and educational records. We call on investigating authorities to obtain and review all relevant documentation, including school payment receipts, tuition invoices, accommodation records, and foreign education transfers used to fund the education of Engineer Ahmed's children abroad. Additionally, authorities should subpoena the personal bank statements, offshore accounts, and transaction histories of Engineer Ahmed and his family. This will help verify whether all transaction this will help verify whether public funds were diverted for personal use and whether there were breaches of the Money Laundering Prohibition Act. Such scrutiny will either exonerate or indict the official and serve as a precedent that all public servants must be financially accountable. Number four, swift prosecution and full asset recovery. Should the allegations be substantiated, we demand the immediate prosecution of Engineer Ahmed and any accomplices under Nigeria's anti-corruption laws, including the Criminal Code, the Money Laundering Act, and the Code of Conduct Bureau Act. In addition, every asset or fund acquired through misappropriation must be fully recovered. This includes funds spent on luxury education abroad, unexplained properties, or foreign investments. The objective is not merely punishment but deterrence. Public officers must know that the misuse of public funds will attract legal consequences and financial restitution to the Nigerian state. Number five, systematic reforms within NMDPRA. This case highlights deeper institutional weaknesses within NMDPRA that allow room for regulatory capture and political interference. We therefore urge a comprehensive audit of the agency's operational framework and the introduction of structural safeguards. These include transparent procedures for issuing import licenses, digital tracking of executive decisions, and third-party monitoring of regulatory compliance. Future appointments to leadership positions must follow rigorous vetting and asset declaration process with independent oversight. Such reforms will restore public confidence, protect national energy security, and ensure that no single individual can weaponize public office for private or commercial interest again. In conclusion, public trust in our regulatory institutions must not be compromised by personal greed or elite impunity. The petition is a clarion call for urgent corrective action to protect Nigeria's petroleum sector from corruption, ensure justice for taxpayers, and reaffirm the government's commitment to transparency and accountability.